Hello everyone, this is Alex from Bad Decks Play Badly, and this is the fourth game in Elephants at the Door. I'm not joking, right? I'm beside myself annoyed. I've played this has been the third time I've played game number 4. The first time, I forgot to hit record. We won 2-0, and it was an epic game. The second time, I hit start stream by accident rather than start record, so it didn't record again. And that was 2-0 as well, and both games were immense. Like, this is going to sound like I'm just completely lying, but I was not. The first game, I won in the... Like, it was one each, I'm sorry, and then in the third game, I managed to win by just putting counters on my Birds of Paradise to get through for 2 damage. That was epic. And then the second game, I pretty much drew my entire deck, and I think I attacked 15 creatures into 13, but all my creatures were like 10/10, so... it's... To say it's frustrating is an understatement, so I want you guys to remember that. Technically we're 3-2 with this deck, but not on stream. On stream, well, on recordings, we're it can't be stream, I learned that the hard way. So on recordings we are still, unfortunately, 1-2. So we'll see how this game goes. I really do hope it goes well. I'd be devastated if we got a loss now. I mean, I just want to make sure I'm recording. Okay, recording. You guys have seen it. I am recording. Okay, what's our opponent's Ernst MD got for us? I've got to go to work today. I've got time to play all these games. Come on. Come on. Are we going to have one of these people? What are they saying? Nothing. I mean, it's almost been a minute and they haven't actually done anything yet. So I'm probably going to have to... If I have to edit this out of the video, I'm not happy, because I despise editing. You'll probably know that's why all my games are like 20 minutes long, so I can't be bothered to chop between them. Piss off. Okay, well, I'm not in. I'm just going to go straight back in. Okay, sorry to waste a minute of your life, guys, but there you go. That's real magic. Here we go. Right, so this person's actually playing, and this is actually a relatively good start, actually. I'll take this. We haven't got any of our mana dorks, but that's fine. And they're going first, and they're playing white. So this better not be a tokens deck. Tokens deck is possibly our worst matchup. Okay, birds is good. Nice. So that's cool. We can play a metallic mimic. Turn 3 we can play doors, and then just start playing elephants. And that's our plan. They will have paths, which is kind of annoying, but we'll see how it goes. I'm kind of concerned they haven't played anything yet. I'm just going to get set up rather than going smashing. Because if they're playing, they're going to have removal with their own white. So I want to at least draw cards for cards, I guess. You know. I want at least 2 for 1 our opponents. If I play a creature, they've got to get rid of it. I still get a deal, a card out of the deal. Oh, okay. It's our old friend, the Benelish Marshal. Oh, I can see where this is going. White weenie. Okay, this could be an okay matchup for us. Because our stuff can just get straight up bigger. So Door of Destinies, go. They're going to have a lot of stuff in their sideboard against our deck though, so we'll see how that goes. We shall have to see. Okay. Annoyingly, they got rid of our birds right now. We didn't draw our lands. That could absolutely just stifle us. So I'm probably just going to slam Loxodon Hierarchs because Metallic Mimic's a bit too slow now. It has indestructible. Okay. At least I can make them discard an enchantment and fight target creature. Actually, this is okay. I can get rid of Benelush Marshal still. Dromoka's Command coming through. Okay, I'll just start slamming elephants. Can you deal with it? Drawing land would be quite nice as well. Okay. And against a deck like this, getting life would be quite good as well. I'm kind of hoping, because White Weenie, it comes out the gates pretty strong, but it runs out of steam really quickly. I'm intrigued to see if they've got any flyers like we had in our deck. In, what is it, the, oh, I forgot what the deck's called now. That mono white deck I made a while back. It's actually, that's a white light from within, that's what I called it. And that was actually the best deck this channel's seen, despite it being relatively straightforward. It's kind of always what it's like when you play Magic. It's like the simplest decks tend to just be the best ones, and then you go, oh, right, well, it's more fun to play ridiculous jank, so we can block for days. Destroy target enchantment. Really? Main deck? Okay, fair enough. So I'm probably just going to get rid of the this Benelush Marshal, because obviously doing something. I don't know what, but they are up to something. So I'm going to target player, sacrifice an enchantment, and choose target player. Creature I control. There you go. And then play a Metallic Mimic. So they got a mana type or anything? That'd be quite cool. If any of you guys don't know what mana type is, it's just a 1 mana counter spell for white, and it's just counter target spell or creature or whatever, anything, unless your opponent pays 1. And I tell you what, you can get caught by it. I've run mana type before, and yeah, you do catch people. No one expects it. So yes, please, if you were to sacrifice your enchantment, that'd be lovely. Right, cool, let it go. I'm kind of happy with that. And yeah, Metallic Mimic on Elephant. I just don't know what our opponent's playing. If you're playing white, I'd expect to have their hand empty by now, and that's just having to kind of hold on. Okay, is there something with flash that I can guess? Maybe that's what it is. I mean, there's not much flash in white, is there? Prevent all combat damage that will be dealt this turn. Okay. Fair enough. Why didn't they play that to save their Benelush Marshal? Intriguing. Okay. So, this is definitely going to be a bit of an issue sort of game, isn't it? They're playing some weird stuff. Luckily, white doesn't have much card draw, so we'll just run them out of stuff and then we'll hope for the best. Odric. Oh, how dare you. Odric, you're going away. You're not staying around, I'll tell you that. So I see what they're trying to do. They're trying to give their entire team indestructible. But it's not going to work. Not on our watch. Okay, I'm just going to... Actually, no. I'm going to play another Metallic Mimic and Path Odric. And then just start smashing. They've got Holy Day, whatever. I don't care. Elephant again. Do I want to path? I'll just attack. I don't need to path, do I? I'll hold my path for something a bit worse. If this player quits out, I'm going to be furious. Because I've actually tried to restart this game again and someone quit out of the first game. I'm trying to reduce how many people quit out, and I won that one as well. I'm no joke, this is going to sound really arrogant, but I think I've gone like 5-1 since our last recording with this deck. like in actual in games, and it's just, yeah, frustrating to say the least. Okay. So we're gonna pay a cost. Cool. Path. Okay, so they're definitely playing a very defensive game. I mean, why would you play that? Why wouldn't you just play, what is it? That one where the target player sacrifices a creature with their attack. Is it Celestial Light or something weird like that? So our opponent is playing a pretty janky deck. I'm okay with that. I know I'm going to speak far too soon, but I kind of need an easy win. Just morale, really. Just what? I need an easy win on stream. So, yep. Might as well play another another one. So these things are getting huge now. So their sideboard, they're just going to kill anything that's artifacts for me. What you got, opponent? Another holy day? Yep, there you go. Right, now I'm winning. There's no way they can come back from this. They've got a hell of a card up their sleeve now. Are you going to play a land and let me win? There you go. Feel free to concede, opponent. I won't want to waste your time. And just to be a dick. Because why not? Get stuff bigger. They've got no way of I don't know why I did this. This is actually just kind of mean. I want to be mean sometimes. I want hellfire right now. If I want to be really mean, I just, if I want to be the meanest, I just pass the turn. I've had someone do that to me before and it is very funny. Alright, sideboarding, what we got. So, they're going to have a lot of removals, so Cassandra's going to be good. Maybe Spell Type Enforcer, I can imagine not having much land. And maybe a heroic intervention. So, Call of Calling, I don't really need. Illusionary Charm, maybe. We'll keep these in. Take out one Elvish Mystic. This is a bit risky, but they don't seem to be doing anything anyway. I seem to every game don't seem to be ramping. I never seem to hit them, so I'm just gonna get rid of them. And I'm gonna get rid of maybe one Elemental Bond. I'm probably gonna regret that, but we'll see how it goes. The bow might have been okay. Right, come on. We can do this. Let's go up to 2-0. As I said, I'm just getting used to slow hands now. Okay, I'll keep this. So are going to get out of the gate a bit quicker this time? They seem to only draw one creature, which I found rather amusing. Okay, they're not getting out any quicker this time. Lucky for us, because we're not getting out any quicker either. We can destroy enchantment, which is nice. I mean, they must be doing something really broken to have a deck like this. They're going to pass, okay. Actually, this hand is shaping up really well, like really well. On elephant, go. I'm probably going to play an elemental bond over a metallic mimic next. Drawing cards is far more fun. Okay, that's annoying. An aerial responder. You know what? No, I probably shouldn't I? I need to. Card advantage is so important, especially against white because they run out of gas so quickly. And at least they have to take a turn off to remove it, which is I'm totally fine about. I don't really care about them gaining life at the moment, because we are going to at some point just outpace them. It's that simple. Okay, intimidate. That's what is it? Intimidate is so this creature can't be blocked except by artifact creatures and all creatures that share a color with it. That's fine. We have a lot of white. That won't be an issue too. Essentially, I've just played a 2/2. Yep. Very good opponent. Wow, our white deck was way better than this one. This one's, for lack of a better term, well, I wasn't going to swear, but let's just say it's not quite there yet. I'm not going to play a... I don't want to play... Yeah, I'll play a Doors. I could start drawing and... but I'm just setting it up nicely. Elephant, of course. There's a problem with this deck. You kind of get a bit bogged down in trying to set up nicely. But once you set up, you kind of... You just churn out creatures and that's kind of it. So it's not really an aggro sort of... It can play a bit aggro-y if you get the right draw, but... It's definitely more of a mid-rangey grindy deck where they just need to be able to deal with your whopping great big creatures. Okay. Thankfully, I can get rid of her. What's that? Put one counter, so I need to get rid of her essentially now, really. Okay. So yeah, attack. No, I'm gonna have to take the hit. I need Metallic Mimic. So I use Metallic Mimic. So yes, and then a... So Metallic Mimic. Unfortunately, it's whenever you cast a elephant. So obviously, it's not an elephant until it enters the battlefield. Luckily, I do draw a card, which is nice. I don't really mind what it is. Anything will do because I luckily can kill that stupid card. Oh, hello. No, I still need it dead, unfortunately. So put a 1/1 counter on Metallic Mimic, choose creature, and then there we go. Main phase. Well, I can't do anything about it. Sweet, and get a Rampage, Greenbelt Rampager trigger. So we're doing okay. We're staying in there. That aerial responder is going to cause us a bit of an issue soon. Which is probably why I'm going to attack now with my Metallic Mimic. If they're stupid enough to block, then good for them. Please be stupid, please be stupid, please be stupid. Okay, cool. No, they're not that stupid. You sometimes hope though, don't you? You do sometimes hope. Okay, so, oh my goodness, what is this? Enters battlefield with 3 ice counters on it. As long as Woolly Razorback has an ice counter on it, prevent all combat damage it would deal, and it has defender. Whenever it blocks, remove an ice counter from it. Okay. That's a cool card. Do you... prevent all combat damage, it blocks, remove... Okay, so I've got attack a lot. That's going to cause this issue, actually. Luckily, we're drawing cards, so... As long as the aerial responder goes, we're fine. I'm feeling confident. Right, so 1, 2, 3. So I can get. I'm just going to play a spell type enforcer, and then I'll probably go digging in a minute. Land would be quite nice, maybe. Well, no, we are kind of flooding out. I think this is just a better card sooner rather than later. And no. And just play Greenbelt Rampager. So already the Willy Raisback just isn't an issue, which is cool. We just need to hope they don't just the aerial responder. We just need to hope that kind of keeps in check. I mean, we've essentially got 5 turns to find removal for it, which I think we can do quite nicely. I think we can get there, because we are very much at that point now where they've got to start thinking about blocking our stuff. Because yeah, we're doing all right. 2 spell ties could actually be a real big issue for them, which I can do this turn. Banishing Priest. When enters the battlefield, exile target creature and opponent controls until banished. Okay. It's kind of irritating. Oh, I wish I had my hexproof up now. Okay, so you're going to have to sacrifice something. Did they not? Okay, that doesn't really change our situation, actually. In all honesty, doesn't change it at all. So attack variable responder. Oh, you idiot! Yes, do it, do it. Ah, no, there. Bugger. I was hoping they'd be that stupid, but they're not, unfortunately. Okay, so Greenbelt Rampager, please draw us into what we need. That doesn't help either. Rampager down, draw a card. Path, 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 path. So he sits on the battlefield nicely. That's a pretty big guy. He's a big fella. Okay. I'm just going to keep playing creatures. I need that path really badly. Annoyingly, I only have... Yeah, so this is a bit... If we lose this way, I'm going to be furious. I mean, should I just get attacking? No, there's no real need to at the moment. They're just going to... So I've got 4 turns to find removal, and then I win. Unless they can pump and all that stuff, which they probably can. I mean, we do have lethal. They just don't block, we win, so... Really? Really? My kingdom for just 1 more land on the battlefield. How annoying. Okay. So yeah, when I was making this deck, I was not sure whether to put Blossoming Defense in or Heroic Intervention. I went on Heroic Intervention because I wanted to at least save our enchantments. I'm now at that point where I think that might have been a mistake. Okay. If I was them, I'd just all out attack now. And just put me on a really fast clock. Like, can you remove my aerial responder? If not, you lose. Okay. Path, 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 path. Everyone pray with me. That's almost as good as path. So draw 3. That's still not great. So I'm going to play again. To keep going until we get a path. We need this path. We need any removal. Dramoka's command anything. There we go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm probably going to path main phase, because whenever they cast a spell, when I play a sacrifice is permanent, so just to play anything that protects it. Cool. Whew, okay, we got lucky. We've got very lucky. So I'm just going to path now, because I don't even want to think about it anymore. Thank you, thank you, thank you, merciful God. And I'm not going to get greedy and play anything else. I'm keeping heroic intervention going. Okay, so now I know that's no longer an issue. I guess I'm going to, because they're going to have to, yeah, I'm going to go in with Metallic Mimic. I don't need Metallic Mimic anymore. I mean, we could completely blow them out. If they want to, like, double block or something like that, or... Come on, I'm just so tempted. Woolly Razorback and Spectral Rider? Come on, who cares? Okay, fair enough. I'm going to keep stuff back, so I want my stuff to have hexproof, and I'm going to play a Scattered Grove just because I need more white mana, really. That's kind of an issue, actually. Okay. That is an issue. Do we have lethal on board? Can we just attack and just see what happens? Yeah, I think I'm just going to do that. I don't know. Because they do need to block, don't they? So 12 to 24, 34 damage on. So they're going to have to block at least one. I guess that's still not enough though, because on the backswing they'll get us. So I'm going to cycle the Scattered Groves for yet more removal. Really? Okay, so Door of Destinies is kind of good. So I'm going to play a Metallic Mimic on Elephant. I don't really need our stuff to be much bigger now. I just need that aerial responder dead. No. Okay. Play a Smiter. If this person could just always yield, that'd just really, really make my day. Okay, and I'm just going to play Metallic Mimic. Heroic Intervention's probably more important, but to keep up, then is to get another... I think I could just gain life, couldn't I? Why haven't I just done that? That seems like a really stupid, stupid thing now. Okay, so they got 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. As long as I've got some stuff to keep back. Actually, just in case they have removal, I'm just going to attack with just the one elephant. Because if they have removal on the backswing, like, could be an issue. So yeah, okay, that's okay. Fair enough. Do I want to save it? They did. They made the mistake. Okay, I'm just gonna play this. 2 for 1. So I think you'll find it has hexproof and you can't destroy it. These locks on. I just realised these locks on Hierarchs with the 4 life gain is actually going to save us, unless they have a pump spell. I think we're good. I'm feeling confident. All we've just got to hope for is no artifact removal. That's it. No artifact removal. Anyway, we do have another doors. Well, I do need our opponent to play quicker, because I actually do need to go work. Yep, get in with that aerial responder. Well done. Keep chipping away. Okay, path is good. I'm going to play a Ghost Quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to play another doors. Why not? Get our stuff bigger. Elephant, okay. Do 3, 4. Grow the team. Gain some life. That's going to keep us in this. And I think I'm just going to want to attack actually. I think I'm kind of... Now I've gained a 4 life buffer, I feel a bit better about myself. So I'll maybe hold back 1. I'll hold back 1 just to be safe. They're going to prevent all combat damage, annoyingly. Because that's how life works. Yep, there we go. Thought that was happening. They're going to run out of that soon. Okay. I'm not sure what they're really up to in this deck. I'm not sure what their plan is. Their creatures are kind of bad. And they're playing fogs. I mean, who plays a fog in fogs in a creature deck? I mean, these guys didn't have aerial responders. This would just be the easiest game ever. Okay. So can they win? So they're 3/3s. Okay, so they think they've won. Right, okay, that's fine. That's fine. I can still block one of them as well, that's good. So they're going to attack with the aerial responder? Yep, okay. Can I not path it? There we go, right. Consider yourself pathed. So now we're just going to run them out of holy days, I've got a feeling that's going to be what we're doing now. Let's get our life. mean, there's not really a way they can come back from this. I can't imagine. I mean, we're going to run out of cards at this rate. Yep. Draw cards, draw cards, draw cards. I mean, look at this. 20, 20, 20. So they're not giving in, you know, good on them. So, what's it? So I only need to tackle 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they've probably got Holy Day, or they've probably got a, you know, destroy attacking creature or some rubbish. Yep. Yep. You got a block, mate. Is that a win? Yep, yep. None of them got tramples. This makes no difference. Oh, no. Okay, Revenize counter. So they can just 5 one more turn, this guy's an idiot. Okay. Wow. So that went pretty well. Okay, so yeah, we'll just... I can't be bothered to play anything, we don't need to. Destroy creatures would probably be good for them. And very bad for us. So, Battle Grace Angel, Exalted. Whenever a creature you control attacks alone, it gains lifelink to end a turn. Okay, good for you. And we've just won. Excellent stuff. So if I were to not waste my time and just scoop, that'd be great. Because Alex needs to go earn some bacon. Alright, attack all out. What you got? GG opponent? Have they said anything? No, I'm not talking to us. I wouldn't either, because we just hammered them. Yeah, 2 and 2. Boom. Right, so now you see how the deck works and what we want to do. Awesome. Right, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I do have to go now. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, check out the details in the description. And yeah, brilliant game. I'll see you guys later on, alright? That was a particularly bad matchup. That was a particularly bad deck we played against, but it's still fun to crush them, isn't it? And I mean, minus 159, look at that. It's purely the aerial responders that gave us a hard time. Other than that, the entire deck was easy. Alright, I'll see you guys later on, alright? Bye.